G'day everybody. Well, we're nearly 12 months later. I still haven't totally finished the welding table, but anyway, we've updated it a little bit. We've just put some screws along there. We obviously put the top on it. 1/2-inch plate. It was only 1 metre by 1 metre. I still haven't sourced another bit to complete that. I think I'm going to take that off anyway and buy a piece that's maybe 24 by 1220, which will give me about another 100 mil out each side, and it'll be a full 8 by 4 table, which will be good. We put wired some power points in here, and all we did was we just put that there. So if wherever you're welding, you can run a power point over to here, an extension cord, sorry, over to here. Plug it into that, and then plug your power tools in here. I've got another couple over this side, some other screws, the 2 power points over there, and that's just wired in around underneath. Anyway, we've got some things there to hang different tools on and whatever. I'll put a bit of marine ply on the bottom, to the bottom shelf. Does need to be cleaned up, and we are transitioning into this shed. It's a bit of a work in progress at the moment. We've just got the hoist in. Cobra's in here at the moment because I've got nowhere else to put it. The welder sits over there and it just comes out whenever I need it. It's a great little budget welder for 500 bucks I got from Bunnings. This rack is going to go back against the wall. We've got some sheets of timber that'll go against that wall. It'll help to insulate it a bit. It gets very hot in here in summertime. We've got the insulation on the roof, but it doesn't do much when the sun shines in on the side there. It'll be similar to what's behind that racking there, but thicker material. So we will have some backing behind there. These rails will come down to about the same height as the welding table, about 900 or 1 metre. And like I said, that'll go back in against the wall. We will have, we'll be able to put this shelf up here will come down a little bit as well. We'll put a light under there, and this will be our workbench for general workbench stuff. We've also got a number of toolboxes on wheels that we'll bring in here for all our tools, and they can go well, anywhere they like really, near the hoist or around there. We'll probably use because we've got the extraction fan set up there, the welding table will probably go in that area there, and when all this shit is removed and tidied up. So we can weld there, have the extraction, have the exhaust fan on, and sucking out the fumes. There's a couple of F250 seats, but we've got an extraction fan there which will suck out the fumes. Other than that, yeah, it's just an update on the welding table. I've just got a bit of ply on there to sit, but I'm going to actually look for a sheet of on Gumtree or Facebook Marketplace, 1/2-inch 8 by 4, so that we can utilise that properly. And anyway, that's how it turned out. I'm pretty happy with it. It's just on those old second-hand casters. It didn't really cost me a lot of money. I think it cost me about 100 bucks for that sheet of 1 metre by 1 metre. Also, when I take that off, I can make a smaller table, a bit lower. I've still got some more metal left over here. I should be able to make something out of that. Just a smaller table. The shed needs a big clean up. There's a lot of supercar parts up there which need to go up into that top shed and stored with the supercar, cleaned out up the top. Anyway, needs a big clean out. But anyway, that's an update on the welding table. Thanks for watching, and if you like what I'm doing, subscribe, and maybe one day I'll make a living out of this. But at this point in time, I've got to keep working my day job. Anyway, have a good one, fellas, guys, ladies. Catch you later.